Hi, this is Marco, our washers at washmart.com, your Houston pressure washer store. We have a power washer here today, power washer trailer. We'll also have my kids, because today was the last day of school. This is going to be a 4000 at 8 IGX 800 Honda EFI engine with an AR pump. We have it with a flow-sensitive unloader. What's unique on this one is John Sacco has a Start Smart box, which is something that I've never messed with before. If you have questions about it, you can message me and I will get you John Sacco's information. All we did is have instructions on how to install it, but from what I understand, it's a remote control I love you too, son. Thank you so much. That's my son Gavin. That's Jackson. Anyhow, that's it's operated with a remote control so that you can turn on and off the valves. And this is basically a downstream injector kit. We have check valves that are on this guy so that they don't have water contaminating your surfactant and your bleach, and so that your bleach and your surfactant don't contaminate your water. We put check valves in place so that you also don't have bleach going into your pump. Have a dump valve, 2 Reelcraft reels. That's pretty much it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, send us a message. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, wherever. This is Marco with our washers at washmart.com, your Houston pressure washer store. Thank you for watching the video. Hey, let me see that shirt. Look at that. That's a good looking shirt.
Look at mine.
Oh, yours? Yeah, that's not a Washmart shirt, but we'll live.